Hi, this is Learning in My Garage. So today I'm going to work on soldering on my practice board still, and it's going to be number 14, which is a 8M crystal oscillator, and it's one, and it goes on the Y1. So let's look for it and solder it. So I am looking for Y1. So here it is. This is Y1 right here. And this is what it's going to be. It's an oscillator. So 8.000. Really don't know what that means. I'd have to look it up. But let's put some flux on. So flux on both pads. I'm going to turn my station on, and I do have it at 222, and I'm going to keep it at that temperature. So it's at the temperature. I'm just gonna put the tip of my soldering station on the pad and bring the solder to it, melt it till the pad is full of the solder. So now I'm going to pick up the oscillator, bring it to the pad, melt the solder, and it's on there. You can see it's on there. So now I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side. Hold it a couple seconds on the pad, melt it, and that one was a little bit better, faster. I think because of the temperature on my soldering station is a little bit hotter, so it melted the solder a little bit better and faster. So that was pretty quick. So I think that's some good heat. So I'm going to clean some of the flux off, and see what it looks like. Dry it, and you can see I soldered this side right here, It looks pretty good. It's pretty sturdy on there. Doesn't coming off. So that looks pretty good. Turn it around, show the other side. And that one also looks pretty good. You can see it. So both sides look pretty good. I didn't have to hold the gun too long on it, and it melted pretty quick, so that was pretty good. So I have soldered. This is the one I soldered last time, so you can see that it looks like it wasn't hot enough, so I didn't melt it too good. So I'm going to try to fix that. Feels like it's not hot enough. Try to put a little flux on it and see if it melts a little better. Well, it's not really melting, so I might need the temperature to go a little bit higher. So now I know that it might take a little bit more heat, higher temperature to melt it. So that's telling me I might have to use more heat on that, but I just wanted to see if it would melt it at that temperature, 222. It didn't, so I might have to raise it. But I will try that in another video. So we'll call it good for now, and we'll see you on the next video. Subscribe and follow, and thanks for watching, and have a good night. Shay Shay.